We on, right?
Yeah, we're on.
Hey. About myself, suicide bomb, suicide bomb, suicide bomb. I blew up on myself, suicide bomb, suicide bomb, suicide. Blew up on myself, suicide bomb, suicide bomb, suicide bomb. I blew up on myself, suicide bomb, suicide bomb, suicide bomb.
Okay, listen, dude. Yeah, you's a firefighter, wanna be, dude. Put a faggot, homie. You like dick in your butt. What you think about when you had a sexy girl with a fat ass? Yeah, she gave it to you real dirty, like, yeah, you really liked it. But man, now you turn into a fag. You ain't nothing but a bitch in my eyes. You see me, look at me, look at you, like a homo in the streets, color flags. Man, what you doing? What you thinking about, man? Choosing dick over pussy, ain't you wrong? Listen, you need to understand, man's not the way to go. You need a real chick, homo. Yeah, you's a faggot, and your other wifey gon' find out. Cause nigga, I got rooms on the streets, deliver messages on the daily. You already know I'm in the cribble, so you can come see me. Ayy, suicide. Ayy, suicide bomb, suicide bomb, bitch. Ayy. Suicide bomb, suicide bomb. Listen, okay, yeah, hey. Suicide bomb, suicide bomb. Strap TNT to your chest, let it blow. Then get the police and say a couple words. Now they thinking it's a suicide bomber. Yeah, you ain't nothing but a fag ass police acting cop motherfucker. You can suck a dick, bitch. Built motherfucker, you ain't shit. You can come see me in my crib today, tonight, tomorrow. I yell, I don't give a damn. I smell chocha, is you. But now wait, you's a faggot, dude. Hey, what?